Hello friends, today's iftar is chicken and breadcrumbs with some potato salad. So to start you would need some chicken, 1 lime or lemon, some salt, garlic, parsley, black pepper, some mustard, 1 star cube, some habanero pepper. So to start, you would want to poke the chicken. You just take a knife and then just poke all of them, and then you would want to add some salt and some of that lemon or lime, whatever you have. I'm using lemon because that's what I have today, but I would prefer to use lime under normal circumstances. So you let that sit for about 10 minutes while you prepare the seasoning. For the seasoning, it's parsley, garlic, ginger, some habanero pepper. So you blend that in your food processor and then put it in a bowl. Then you would add some vinegar. You will add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mustard, the stock cube, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then you mix that. You don't need to add salt to this because you've already salted the chicken. So make sure you add enough salt to the chicken. So you add all that mixture to the chicken. Yeah, you add all the mixture to the chicken and then mix it very well. So you let that sit for about an hour, and then after an hour you put it in a pot to steam it. You don't put anything in the pot, no water, no oil, just the chicken and the seasoning, and then you put the fire on medium and allow it to steam, or medium high. So you let that steam for about 5 minutes, then you would turn it over. You will turn each chicken piece over. Okay. And then you close it and you would let that steam again for another 10 minutes. So it's looking like that. And after the 10 minutes you would take out the chicken, almost cooked already, and put it in a put it on a plate or a bowl and allow it to cool down. Yeah, if you have leftover seasoning from the steaming, you can add that on top of the chicken as well and let it cool down. Yeah, so now to the coating. You would need some eggs and some breadcrumbs. So first you break 2 eggs, should be enough for 8 drumstick. So you break 2 eggs in a bowl, whisk it, and then the first step is to put the chicken in the egg, coat it with egg, and then coat it with the breadcrumbs. So you repeat that for each chicken piece. So egg first, breadcrumbs second, and that's it really. So here we have all our chicken pieces coated, The next step is to fry them. You put some oil in a bowl, vegetable oil, and then when hot, you put the chicken pieces. So you want to make sure that you don't fry this over very high heat, or else you would burn the coating, meaning the breadcrumbs. So just fry them over medium heat. So when one side is brown, you turn the chicken pieces for the other side to fry. It would not take time for the sides to get brown anyways. It will just take about less than 5 minutes of frying. You just need to check it. Yeah, so I fried the 8 chicken pieces I have in 2 batches, and here they are all fried, looking brown and crispy and very delicious. Trust me. So the next thing is to make the potato salad. You would need some potatoes, and I didn't show how I made the mixture of the potato salad because it's very similar to what I made in the grilled fish video. You can go and watch that. The veggies that I mixed with the mayo, that's literally the same exact thing that I did here. Veggies and mayonnaise, and then I'll put the boiled potatoes that are cut into pieces. I'll put that in and mix all of them together. And that's the potato salad ready. Yeah, and that's my iftar ready. Now the next step is to serve it. I served it with some salad with some lettuce. Here we go. This was really delicious. Bon appetit.